Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Freelancer Madhvi and today we are going to uh, show how you can use any kind of dimension report using an dimension analysis card, and you just need to type here analysis views. See here, this is the report. Name is analysis views. Under the report and analysis, you can use the search box, and the second name of this box is tell me what you want to do. So you can uh, spell it tell me box. So use this search box, uh, type here and click on this analysis view, and system will show you the uh, predefined analysis card. And one more thing, I'm using the educational version, so we need to change the date. Uh, so I'm just changing the year because this is the educational version. And yeah, now system is showing that we have the 5 analysis card here. These are the inbuilt cards, and you can see this is the list page. You can maximize it, and or we can smallize this to capture all the thing. We have 4 dimensions. In a single card, you can assign 4 dimension at a time, and I'm going to explain what is the meaning of these cards. So first is designed for the campaign, second for cash flow, third one is for customer, fourth one is department expenses, and fifth one is for revenue. These all are the dimension analysis view card. If you were used dimensions, or you can say profit centers in your any posted entries. So after posting entries, if you want to check the allocation of dimension, the proportionate value based on those captured dimension, how can you show, how can you view that history, that record? You need to design an analysis view card as with assigning the dimensions. So here we are going to take an example, but before this, I'm going to explain the simple meaning of this analysis list view. And we can see this is the customer group analysis. If I want to check this dimension value for my customer group analysis view, we can design it, and we need to just click on a new button to create a new card, and just assign a single code, max to 10 characters, and then in the name area you can you can write a detailed description to explain that code, and then account source. We have two kind of source. If you want to explain the cash flow statement, you need to assign cash flow. See here, already assigned the cash flow account. But if you want to attach the source related with the chart of account, related with the list of account, you need to assign the GL account. So next, if you are using budget, then you need to assign, you need to activate the budget feature also. And if you update this view, then you can check the last date updated. Next, the main focused area is dimension. How many dimension we can view at a time? 4 dimensions with a single analysis view card. And here with the customer analysis card, customer group analysis card, um, in this inbuilt view, uh, two dimension has assigned. First is area and second is customer group, because this is designed for the customer group purposes, and rest are blank. If you need to assign more than one, two, or three, you can assign at a time of 4, or you can assign your preferable dimension. based on your requirement. Next, I'm going to edit it because it's already designed. So I'm going to explain what are the things are available. So this is the inbuilt card and you can check in your BC system. See, customer, this is the code, this is the code, then this is the description as name, and this is the account source. As I told you that we have two account source. First one is GL and second is cash flow account. And I'm not going to create any view for the cash flow account. So I'm not going to choose cash flow account. I'm going to show you the customer group analysis, and I need the customer ledgers here. So I need to choose the GL account, and this will allow me to access the customers receivables GL account. So now see, account filter. I'm just copying this account filter, click on the drill down button, and system will show you the list. See, balance sheet items covered under the balance sheet, and income statement item covered under income statement. So we divided the chart of account into two portion. First one is the balance sheet and second one is the income statement. Income statement equal to profit and loss account, which includes expenses and incomes, and same balance sheet includes assets and liabilities. So I'm going to paste it. So how many ledgers are there? 6,100, and two dot for the separation from and to. This is used for the from and to data, and just click on it. Now 6,100. See, already filtered. Six. This is start from the revenue account 6,100 and last is 6,995. Total revenue. It means it's only includes revenue ledgers. It means only the sales related ledgers. So sales income, sales retails, sales of raw material resources, jobs, service contracts, and total revenue. Okay, then. If you don't want to change anything, click on cancel. As system will save this as it is. And next, date comparison. If you want to see this analysis view report, this is the analysis view card, but on the basis of this card you can generate a Excel report. So we need to decide uh, the criteria, the parameter, how uh, what is the appearance would be uh, of this report. So uh, date comparison. uh, if you want to see this report on a daily basis, choose day. If you want to see this report on week basis, choose week. But I want to see this report on a month basis. So I'm going to choose month. You can choose quarter, year, or period. So this is selected, and now the starting date is. So we can start this from 1st of January 2022. So system will ask you the question that if you change the content of the starting date field, the analysis view entries will be deleted. You will have to update again. You want to enter a new value in the starting date field? Yes, I'm going to change this from 23rd to 22, and now this report will includes those entries which are posted from 1st of January 2022. So last date updated is blank. You need to click here. See, this is updated. So this is the key feature to update last till the last entry number. Next, if you are using budget, this will also update. And now next button is update on posting. Specify if the analysis view is updated every time that you post an item ledger entry. When you try to post any entry including dimensions, this will this analysis view will automatically update it if you Click on this. Enable update on posting. Ensure that the analysis view is updated when new ledger entries are posted. So, if you enable the update on posting feature, it can take significantly more time to post documents such as sales or purchase orders and invoices. Do you want to continue? Yes. Enabling the update on posting feature immediately updates the analysis view with the latest entries. Do you want to start using the feature and update the analysis view now? Yes, from now onwards. Next, include budget? No. So this is the enable sign and this is the disable sign. I'm not going to use any budget here. And this is blocked? No. I'm just creating a new card. I'm not going to uh, block it. So disable, and this is already enabled. Whenever we will post any transaction, um, and include uh, these dimensions here, like area and customer group, entry will be updated with the dimensions, and we can search the data and the posted dimensions, combination and values and allocations on the basis of this card. So this is edited and assigned with the two default dimensions. And now go back. And one more important thing is, after editing, after creation a new card on the basis of your requirement, what kind of dimensions report you want to view, you need to design an analysis view card here for the purpose of dimension wise reporting, data reporting, you can say. And now select your card, analysis view card, and click on analysis by dimension, because we just edited a predefined card, analysis card. And now how this card will convert into a report, how this card uh, show us the report related with the dimensions. So we have a matrix view or report, and on the basis of assigned parameters in this card we can view the matrix report. Matrix report includes column and row wise data. So if I want to check how many customer groups are involved in the sales incomes ledger entries with related with the GL account, and in how many dimension it will reflect, we can check with this view card. And also we can assign dimension as a column and GL as a row. So view accounts in GL account by their dimension values and other filters that you define in an analysis view and then show in a matrix window. So first you need to assign a card, decide your valuable parameters, your required parameters to view the report. Now we are going to check how can view the report on the basis of designed analysis view card, analysis view card of the dimension. So just click on it. Yeah, see, this is the different card, and here you can check. There is a button show matrix. This is the key to view the report in a matrix view. View the data overview according to the selected filters and options. See, selected filters and option, you need to be specific about your filters. So analysis view card name is, you can choose, you can change. See, for the GL accounts, right? Customer. Next, uh, we already decided that we are going to view the report on the basis of customer group code, and this is the analysis view code name. And next, in the report, line wise data will coming on the basis of GL account. So we need to assign, you can select, we want to see GL account on the line area. Next, if you want to check the data on the column side, if you want to check, if you want to see the day wise, month wise data, you can select period. But if I want to check data on the dimension wise, we can assign dimension here, like area. Uh, if another dimension are here, we can assign. And if you want to assign the customer group, we can also assign. So first we are trying with the customer group, then we will try with the assigning a second dimension. Okay, now the filters. Date filter. See, this date is including C. C means closing entries. So I don't want to add the closing data in the date range. And the date range means this date is start from 2nd of May to 22nd to 2nd of May 22nd. We can increase the date length. We can increase the date length till the current date, but this is the educational version. So I need to check. Yeah, till December. And we can also change the date pattern to 31st. Let's see. See, this is the educational version. So MMDDYY is working here, and only November, December, and January date will work here. In the educational version, you only use 3 months, November, December, and January. And now to exclude the C, closing entry, here is a key to exclude it. That's why I'm not removing the C text. C, exclude. Now we want to see this report on the month basis. That's why in the matrix option, view by day. That's why it's taken the date of data single date. So I'm going to change it. See, this is the dependency, single day or month wise. Two separator means two dots between the two dates, from and end date. Next, this is also the account number defining pattern, 6100 from 6100 to 6995. If you want to add a single ledger, let's assume if you want to add 6010, if you want to add 6090, and if you want to add 600, if you want to add 6010 to 1, wait a minute, 6111, then you can add. So these are the pattern for the single date, for the date, single account, GL account, and for the range. This is for the range, and these are the single account. So this is only for the reference purpose. Next, I'm not going to use any business unit filter here. I'm not going to use any budget. Area filter. We already assigned dimensions, area, and one more dimension in the card view, in the analysis designing card view. So if you want to choose, um, these are the dimension values list. To view this report, first parameter is to use dimension and design dimension with the name, with the code and name, and please assign dimension values Like if you want to assign area, an area are divided into the north zone and south zone. These are the values. These are the heading, main group, sub uh, sub dimensions. So these are the thing you can, and you need to assign based on this, and you need to assign if you want to check only one value wise report. You need to assign here that selected particular value. If you want to filter it, and you if you want to view report on the basis of this area only, then you need to assign the specific code, otherwise leave it blank to view all the dimensions values in this report. Same for the customer group. These are the values. Customer groups are subdivided into institution, intercompany, large, medium, private, and small. So if your entry posted entries included these values and the dimension values, on the basis of dimension values, you can assign any particular value. If you want to see the report on the basis of that particular value, if you don't want to assign any specific filter, leave it blank. Then system will show you all the data related with all the dimensions and its values. And show as column, because we already assign area filter as a dimension, customer group as a dimension, so we need to change it. So I'm going to change it with period. So column will show on the period basis. Now date filter. So we need to assign a date, and we can check, see, month, and starting from this, I can define 01/01/2022 till date. Yeah, done. So next, in the analysis view card, we only assign two dimension. That's why these are disabled. We can add in the analysis view card, and this will activate for the single and specific dimension value wise viewing report. Next, actual amount. If you want to see budgeted amount, you can assign variance, variance percentage, index. Next, show amount, debit, credit, or amount. Amount is the best option, either a debit or credit. Next, closing entry. I already excluded this rounding factor. You can use if this is required for your scenario. Show amount in additional currency if you are using multiple currency. Show column name. If your dimension code and values name are uh, different, and use does not recognize on the basis of code, and you need to show the column name, just click here. System will show you the report on the basis of name, on the basis of description. See, these are the code 10, 20, 30, 40, and these are the name and description. If you want to see your report on the basis of name, system will show this kind of name: Europe South, America, America North, America South. And if you want to not activate the name option, system will show you the 10, 20, 30, 40, and you were not you will not able to recognize code wise name, because uh, most of the time this is not possible to remember the code. So this is easy to activate name, but if you able to remember the code, uh, disable it. You can view the report on the basis of code. Just like if you want to see employee wise dimension report, and employee code is employee 101 for Sham, 102 for Ram, And if you recognize your employee on the basis of employee code, you need to um, check the report on the basis of code. Don't activate this. But if you, because code are unique, but name will be same most of the time. You can find two Shyam, two Ram. Surname will be different, but first name maximum time this will be same. So you can use the employee code. So this will be the unique idea. So this is based on your requirement, and this is not a permanent thing. This is just for viewing the report. After viewing the report, you can disable this and use based on the code. So if you want to check with the name, you can activate and click on show matrix. System will show with the name. After viewing, you can deactivate this and click on the show matrix. This will show with the code. Next, show opposite sign. If you want to see with the opposite sign, if there are liabilities and income, maximum time data will come with the minus sign. If you want to uh, show with the no sign, you can activate it. Next, matrix option. Matrix means report view, way of report viewing, columnar and row wise report. Combination of column and row wise designing is called matrix view. So view by month and view as net change or balance sheet. If we are working on the income statement wise data, always use net change, debit minus credit, or you can say this is the net value uh, based on the for the period. And if you want to check the balance sheet item, always activate balance at date. This will work for the as on date. So based on our data, this is coming from the chart of account and from the income statement. So net change will be the perfect thing to viewing the report. Now the last thing. So most important thing is show as line, show as column. This is a report criteria, and now click on show matrix. See the report. System will show you the code, the name, the total amount between the date range, between the provided date range. See, and these all are the your ledger, your assigned ledger. On 4th, on 7th, on 12th, on the 1st of January, on 4th of January. And if system will not cover your data in this single small size window, send this report or export this report to Excel. Export this report to Excel. This analysis view will send into the Excel in a detail mode. You can get all the data in the Excel mode, and you can get a very easy pivot table also. So download and work on it. After clicking on export to Excel, system will ask you to save the file on any specified area. You can save it on your desktop and then click on the report and check and view the report. So I'm going to show you one more thing. If I change it to my dimension area, okay, now click on show matrix. See, 10, 20, 30 and currently, frankly speaking, I forgot the area name, dimension name. So this will not work for me. I'm going to click on name, and now I'm going to check it. See, Europe North EU for the European countries. and non-European countries, North total, South total, and see, this is height. So, best way to view all the data, export to Excel, creating Excel worksheet. You can give a file name and dimension analysis view, and my dimension name is area. So you can give your specific name and save. And after clicking on this, you can check your data in this way. So you can check. I'm now going to show you one more thing. Custom group files. This is my another dimension. Show matrix. See, dimension wise reporting. This is basically designed for dimension wise reporting. These are the ledger code, ledger number, ledger name, total amount for the specified date range in the analysis view card before viewing this report. We already assigned month basis data, providing from and to date range. Institution, no data for the institution, no data for intercompany customers, no data for the large business. But we were posted uh, transactions in which medium businesses dimensions uh, are involved and posted these entries with this dimension. So total, this is the total ledger also, because we have provided the GL range also. So single you can check, like discount granted, total value for 2 lakh 14,833.90, and small businesses under this dimension, not covered in the institution, intercompany, large, medium, private. This is only for the small business dimension. So if you have the multiple dimensions, and also you have the uh, subdivision between these dimension, you have the multiple values for a single dimension, and you want to allocate these value between those multiple dimension, you can assign, you can post the data. After posting the data, just design this card, or you can edit, or you can make changes on this card based on your criteria, your requirement, and you can easily design this report based on the row and column, and you can export to Excel and work on it, and you can easily mail this report to anyone. So this is very easy, and most of the time I'm going to use this report uh, to show the client dimension wise reporting on for the employees. Just like if we have 10 to 20,000 employees, and on the basis of employee code, we are providing them multiple kind of salary expenses and other benefits to the employees. And at the month end, if I want to check for the employee code 1 uh, to 10, how many monetary expenses we were incurred, or how many benefits we provided to them, how the salary benefits they receive. So if you want to check on the basis of employee dimension, if you want to check this report for the this kind of requirement for the employees wise dimension reporting, we need to design this report. Click on new, design the report, and to view the matrix view, come here and check the analysis view card. Check your column and lines, provide the date, check your account filter, because this is mandatory to decide how many ledger you want to see in this report. Either balance sheet item or income statement or a specific particular two or three or single ledger or multiple combination of ledger you want to see, you need to assign in this report. Assign date filter, give a view card name, and most importantly, to view the matrix view, decide your column, decide your lines. So this is completely explained. And if you have any query, please write to us, and please design your dimension view card and test it. If you have any query, please write to us. Thank you. Thank you for listening.